If you want to succeed in affiliate marketing or grow your own online business, there's one skill that separates dreamers from doers: discipline. Discipline is what turns goals into habits, and habits into success. So, today, let's talk about how to discipline yourself for success. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, a solopreneur, or a business owner, building your empire from scratch. 1. Setting the foundation. First, let's be clear. Success doesn't start with motivation. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going when the excitement fades. If you're in affiliate marketing, that means showing up every day, writing that blog post, promoting that product, sending that email, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is the difference between "I'll do it later" and "I'll do it now." 2. Create a success routine. Want to know the secret of top-performing affiliate marketers? They live by a daily routine. Set clear business hours for yourself, even if you work from home. Schedule time for content creation, keyword research, email marketing, and social media engagement, and treat it like a real job. Because if you don't control your day will control. 3. Set goals and track progress. Discipline thrives on structure. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Maybe your goal is to make your first $500 in affiliate commissions, or grow your email list by 1,000 subscribers. Whatever it is, track your progress weekly. Use simple tools like Google Sheets or Trello to stay accountable. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. 4. Eliminate distractions. Here's the truth. Distractions kill more affiliate dreams than lack of talent ever will. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Set specific times for checking emails or social media. And when it's work time, focus like your future depends on it. Because it does. Self-discipline means saying no to what's easy and yes to what's necessary. 5. Learn, adapt, and stay consistent. Success in affiliate marketing or business isn't about doing everything perfectly, it's about consistency. Keep learning. Study marketing trends, understand SEO, test your strategies, and improve over time. You'll make mistakes. Everyone does. But discipline turns mistakes into lessons, not excuses. So, if you truly want to achieve financial freedom, build a profitable affiliate business, or grow your brand online, start by mastering yourself. Because discipline isn't punishment, it's freedom. Show up. Stay consistent. Keep growing. And remember, success belongs to the disciplined marketer who refuses to give up.